In the control panel, go to System. You can make starting Python a little bit easier for yourself by going to our environmental variables. Let's go to path. If you enter a folder within path, then that folder will be automatically loaded into command prompt. That means that if we would write down Python right now in command, it will be exactly the same as saying start Python by c:/python27/python. We can skip this part. We don't have to write down c:/ blah blah blah. We can write Python anywhere. That's a trick that we're gonna use in this tutorial. So hi everybody and welcome back to the Bitcoin Daytrader channel. And today we're gonna work on advanced token building. We're gonna use a Typos-map. A Typos-map is a list of letters that we can switch with other letters. For instance, if you're used to write the letter T as a number 1, the E's for instance as a 3, or the letter L as a number 7. That's what they call lead speak. So you get lead. 7331. Sometimes people use this technique to enter numbers in their passwords. So before we're able to do this tutorial, you need to install btcrecover the right way. So I've made a tutorial on that and you can go back there, wherever. Be sure to have all the dependencies for btcrecover. Let's first create a backup of our wallet. We did put a password on our wallet, but we're gonna do it so you can see the password. Let's first think of a good password. Let's grab a notepad. We have a Dogecoin wallet. Let's put some lead speak in this password. So let's make the password Dogecoin and let's switch some letters around with numbers or whatever. Let's say we still have the capital D. Let's change the first O with a 0. The G could be a 9 or something. The E would be a 3. And then let's write coin. Would that be a good idea? Well, let's just for fun make coin with a capital C. Yeah, I think this will be a good password. Do you guys agree? Good password for a Dogecoin wallet? Doggy. Let's copy paste it and let's press OK. Are you sure if you lose blah blah blah, you lose all your Dogecoin? Are you sure you wish to encrypt your wallet? Yes. So now it's encrypting our wallet. Dogecoin will close now to finish the encryption process. Remember that encrypting your wallet cannot fully protect your bitcoins from being stolen by malware infected by your computers. So yeah, that's true. Because if you have a keylogger and they see what you type, then it didn't even help at all. Let's go to the internet. In order for us to get btcrecover, we have to search on Google for btcrecover. You go to the GitHub. I've showed you guys this before. Let's just do it all again. Download the zip file. Yeah, let's just save it to our desktop. We have it here. Unzip it. We can delete the zip file. Let's replace it to another location. Where should we place it? Because I've been teaching you guys to put it on a C drive, but we can make it even a little bit easier. We can put it in our user folder. You know that one, as you can see here, C drive, users, and then your Windows user folder. So let's move it to that folder. And the reason why is when we run cmd command is that it starts in user/your username, your Windows username. So that was not that hard. Where do we have it now? In our user folder. It's somewhere in here, btcrecover master. What that means is that we can just write cd btc, press tab, and we're in the folder. So that's a little bit easier than going to the C drive and then btcrecover master. It's not that much of a difference, but it helps. So what we need to do is back up our wallet, or if you already have a backup, you can use that. Back up the wallet, and let's back it up in the btcrecover folder. So let's back it up here as a wallet. And as you see here, we have a wallet.dat, so that's the Dogecoin wallet. So we can close our wallet right now. If you want to see hidden files and folders, you can do it so by going to the control panel. In the control panel, you have your file explorer options. Go there, you get this screen, and here at view, here you see hidden files and folders. As a default, it's set to don't show hidden files, folders, or drives, but you can show it. Change it here, and then you can see these folders. And another thing that I've heard people having problems with is that as a default, this is checked. It's the hide extensions for known file types. So that means that Windows is gonna hide, for instance, if you have a text document, it ends with .txt. When hide extensions for known file types is on, then you won't see it in your Explorer. For instance, if we go in here, you won't see this .py. And some people were asking me, like, I can't see btcrecover.py, but it is still there, and I can show you. So let's hide the extensions and apply it. And did you see what happened? It removed .py, hide extension, no files, apply, and now they're back. Let's say that you're in a situation where they're hidden and you won't see .py, but if you go to command prompt and you type directory dir, you will see .py. So it's only in the Explorer that it won't show you the .pys. So we have made the wallet backup and we have sent it to our btcrecover master folder. What are we gonna do now? Okay, so we're here at the btcrecover master folder, and within this btcrecover master folder, as you see, we've just downloaded it, so you're supposed to have it too. There is a folder called Typos. Let's open the folder Typos. So let's open this lead map. So this is the lead map, and this is, as a default, an example for how to use the Typos-map. Let's check out what this does. Let's just use this lead map and adjust it for our situation. Let's close the lead map and let's copy it. Press Ctrl+C to copy to our main directory. Let's paste it and let's rename it by pressing F2, and let's rename it to, well, let's just call it typos.txt. We have a typos.txt, we have our wallet, and we need a token list. Let's create a new token list, new text document, and let's call it token.txt. So we have token, typos, and wallet.dat. Let's enter our token file, token.txt. The only thing we can remember now was that it was Dogecoin. Write down Dogecoin. And let's save this. Dogecoin. Let's test if our token is working. We go to btcrecover master. Let's just put it here. And let's write down Python btcrecover.py. I did that by pressing tab, so that autofills it. And let's say that we have a token list called token.txt, and we want it to list passwords. Okay, there's only one combination possible because we only have Dogecoin, that's all. So it is working, as you see. It did load Dogecoin. Now we're going to use this typos.txt and let's adjust it, because we just wrote down Dogecoin with lead speak. We had a D, we had an O, and an O was a 0, that's already here. Dogecoin. We had a G, which was a 9, that's also already here. Doge, that's also here. We have a C here. The I would be a 1, and we know that it could be an exclamation point. It's not always an exclamation point, but it could be. And we can say, for instance, that, I don't know if I did it because I can't remember, but it could be that we have the N and the N. Are these 2 spaces? What is this? I don't know. Let's copy this for fun. N and an N. It could be a roofie. I don't know. We can delete the other letters to make it a little bit easier. This could be our typos map. We can even delete these comments. We don't have to, but we can. So let's delete them. And we have here our typos map. This is the map of the typos that we might have made. We can change it, of course, to other signs on our keyboard. But let's just start with this. Save it. So let's go back to btcrecover master. Let's run it with help. So it shows us the entire list. And within this list, you can find here the typos-map file. It's kind of like the token list. So instead of help, we write typos-map. Oh, it's typos now. Typos, space, and then the name of the typos. And we called it typos.txt. Now we have to tell btcrecover how many times or how many different typos it should try on the password. So let's say, for instance, we want it to use _ typos space. And let's make it 3 letters. Let's list all the passwords that you can create when you enter at a max of 3 typos. You see, the word Dogecoin has been changed now just by adding the typos map. Without the typos map and typos free, we would only see Dogecoin, and with this, you see it changed all kinds of letters into numbers. Now it is gonna try all kinds of different combinations. And as you see, it made 114. Whoa, my battery is low already. I'll just switch batteries. At the moment we have created a token list with 1 token, it's the word Dogecoin, and we've added a typos list with possibilities of letters that should be changed or could be changed for instance, numbers or other signs. But we aren't there yet, because if I remember correctly, I did put 1 or 2 or 3 capital or case letters, I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's just check if there's a possibility to do that too. Whatever the arguments are that you have, if you enter help as well, it will always show the help screen. So let's go and check what we have here. We need to have case letters as well. So we can add typos case to our arguments list too. Let's just focus on the case situation and temporarily forget about our typos map. Let's delete all these typos map and stuff, and let's say we have one of these. Let's go for typos case in our situation. So let's type typos case, and let's say we have typos 1 to begin with. Error. Oh, we forgot to say list our passwords because we want to see the password. List pass. So what we did now was giving it one case letter. So as you see, it's trying every possibility with one case letter. So as you see, one big D, one big O, one big G. We can try it with, for instance, 2. As you see, now it's gonna try it with either 1, the beginning is all with 1, and later on with 2. Is it gonna try them all? D, O, D, G, D, yeah. You see here, it starts with big D, and then D, O, D, G, D, E, D, C, D, O, D, Y, D, N. And then it is the O big, O, G. And you see what's happening here? It's trying every possibility of having 2 big letters in the word Dogecoin. 2 uppercase letters. And we can even do that with typos free. So now we have even more combinations, and as you see, it starts with only one uppercase letter, and then it does the 2, and then eventually it's gonna do 3 different uppercase letters. Let's first create a combination of the typos map and the uppercase letters, and if it works, we're gonna try and run it on our wallet. Let's go back. Yeah, a typos map with the typos.txt. On top of that, we need typos case. Yeah, typos 5 list passwords. So what's gonna happen now? So now we're combining it. 4,144 different password combinations. What is the maximum amount? So we have 8 letters at max. So if we would say typos is 8, that's the maximum amount of typos that is possible. That means that every letter could be wrong. How long would it take? 7,776. Oh, I'm from Holland, man, and then you make that mistake pretty often. Because we pronounce, instead of 21, we say 1 and 20 in Dutch, 1 en 20. You read from left to right, you say 165 for instance. So you read from 165, we say 165. That's pretty weird that we do that. So it's sometimes a little bit confusing. So let's get back to this tutorial. What we did was make a token list in combination with a typos map that is able to brute force this wallet. So I think it's time to try and brute force the wallet. Let's put back our command, and instead of list the passwords, we are going to say wallet equals, well, not equals, wallet.get. And now it's the moment of the truth. Will it be able to brute force it? It's gonna take him pretty long. Am I gonna wait for this? No, I'm gonna try something else. I've interrupted after finishing password 204. We've interrupted it, and if we want to continue at 204, we can do that too. But first, we're gonna say enable GPU. We want to skip space 204. Does this work? Wow, did you guys see what happened? How fast that was? It did find it. Come on, we did it, man. I didn't expect it to be that fast. It was 5 seconds. My CPU would say like, oh, it's gonna take me 6 minutes. And my GPU said, oh, well, it's only 16 seconds. So, we did it. Nice, man. I didn't expect it to be that easy. Did you? Woo, that was pretty hard. That went so much easier than I expected. We did it! We did it once again. We brute forced our wallet. And now we used a typos map to help us out using the typos. You can use all kinds of typos, you can change these maps, and like I showed you before, there are a couple of different ways of typos. For instance, we have a US map here, as you can see, and this is for if you accidentally make a mistake on your keyboard. Let's check this keyboard. Let's choose one letter. Let's choose the J here. Check out this J. So around the J you can find the K, the M, the N, I, U, Y, you see? And if you check here on the screen, here you see, let's change J with M, K, I, U, H. It is the surrounding letter. So maybe you've made a mistake while typing and accidentally twice, even with repeating the password, that you accidentally pressed with your finger on a button next to it. You can use this typos map to check out all the letters that are around the letter that you maybe accidentally made a typo on. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. It was a little bit more advanced, not that much more advanced as you are used to. If you did enjoy this video, let me know by giving it a like, a thumbs up, smash that button, I don't know. If you're new to my channel and you did enjoy my videos, it would be an honor to me if you would subscribe to my channel and you would stay updated with newer videos. And I make these videos every once in a while. As always, thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Woo! Okay. So yeah, Thank you.